Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to use the password reset tool from home in order to reset student passwords. Scroll down to the bottom of your search bar on your district laptop and type in the word password reset. An app should pop up. The app is glitchy. Sometimes when you click it the first time, it doesn't work and says there's a pathway error. Just ignore that and keep trying until it works. I'm going to click over here and just double click on the word open. Oh, come on. Come on, little guy. There it worked. So from here, the best thing to do to search for a student is click Advanced Search if you don't know their ID. Make sure instead of students, you select from the drop down or begin typing, Seattle World School. There it is. And I'll search any student. Like I set Irene's the other day. So you can search the student's last name. With many of our students, it may be their second last name. So you may not find them the first time and you might have to do a little bit of hunting and choosing depending on how they're in the system. Once you find them, you should be able to double check and select the one that you want. In Irene's case, let's just choose her as an example. You'll double click on the name and then it says, do you want to use her? And you'll say yes. And there she is. Now, this is important. You have to now find her again. Click Find User so that all the fields about her fill in. And now you're able to reset her password. Make sure when you're doing this, if you do multiple students in a row, that you're setting the correct password for the correct student, because sometimes this application will list the previous student. I don't know why. So now you can set any password. I'm doing 2020 SWS, set password. You can force a change in the next logon. I never do that. This is enough trouble. So we click and the password has now been changed. This should be instant. You click OK. And to exit, you'll just exit both applications. So first you exit this one. Oh, and sometimes you'll exit the other one. So that's it in a nutshell. Enjoy.